Augusta Street. Fire alarms are going off inside the residence. Everybody is outside, no symptoms. Again, that is 208 Augusta Street, cross street of Helena Street for fire alarms going off inside the residence. No symptoms, all parties outside. Time of first page, 11:09:07. Attention Wingham firefighters, please respond to 208 Augusta Street for smoke alarms going off inside the residence. Everybody is outside, no symptoms. Again, that's 208 Augusta Street, cross street of Helena Street. Time of second page, 11:10:04.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledges Wingham Station feeds for alarms going off on Helena Street and station will be responding shortly.
Roger, car 3 acknowledging the page. We'll be responding shortly, 11:10:41.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
Car 2 on scene, nothing showing.
Roger that. On scene, nothing showing, 11:11:48.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1 responding, Bravo +4 belt.
Engine 1 responding, Bravo +4 belted, 11:13:04.
Fire dispatch, you can show. Fire dispatch, you can show car 4 responding.
Roger, car 4 responding, 11:13:25.
Car 2, call Blythe Station. Go ahead, Blythe Station, car 2. Are you needing manpower or apparatus out of Blythe? At this point, just stand by. Roger that. Car 2, engine 1. Go ahead, engine 1, car 2. We're coming down Victoria onto Helena. Which way do we turn? Right or left onto Augusta? Yeah, you're coming back into the new build. So you'll be turning right. Roger. Fire dispatch, you can show ladder 2 responding. Charlie +2.
Roger, ladder 2 responding, Charlie +2, 11:15.
Fire dispatch, you can also show tank 4 responding, Delta and Alpha.
Roger, tank 4 responding, Delta and Alpha, 11:15:16.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1 on scene, Bravo V command mobile. We have a 2-story home, new construction, nothing showing.
Roger, engine 1 on scene, Bravo's command and mobile, 2-story home, new construction, nothing showing, 11:16:25.
Go ahead, command ladder 2. When you pull up on scene, can you maybe pull out your chimney kit floor runner as well, please, and bring it to the house? Yeah, roger that. Fire dispatch, you can show North Huron ladder 2 arriving on scene.
Roger, ladder 2 arriving on scene, 11:18:10.
Fire dispatch, you can also show tank 4 arriving scene.
Copy, tank 4 on scene, 11:18:25.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
You can show an engine crew entering the building to investigate. You can also show 360 in progress and complete, and nothing showing.
Roger that, crew entering the building to investigate, 360 in progress and complete, nothing showing, 11-19-21.
Fire dispatch, you can mark car 2, clear the scene.
Roger, car 2, clear of scene, 11-20-30.
Entry 1, call command. Entry 1, call command. Go ahead, Entry 1. Could you give me an update, please? Still busy on the main floor, no readings, nothing on the TIG. It is indeed a smoke alarm, not carbon monoxide according to the alarm. Yeah, roger that. Delta Captain and another firefighter are also entering the building with another floor runner. Command calling entry 2. Go ahead, entry 2, command. You can show entry 2 is entering the structure through the garage, car 2. Roger that, entry 2, entering structure, par 2. Entry 2, command. Go ahead, command, entry 2. Did you catch that radio conversation between entry 1 showing fire alarms, not CO alarms? Copy that, command. Go ahead, entry 1, command. Roger that, 0 readings, go for it. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Entry teams have done an investigation of the structure. We have 0 readings on the TIC and 0 readings on the multigas. We still will be investigating at this point.
Roger that. Entry teams have done investigation, 0 readings on the stick or on the multigas, and you're still investigating at this time, 11-28-45.
Command, call entry 2. Go ahead, entry 2, command. So we've reset the smoke alarms. They're not going back off at the moment. We're just closing all the windows. We're going to completely close off the house and see if they go off in another 10-15. Yeah, roger that. We do have that one alarm out here that we cannot get to shut off as well, out of the bedroom apparently. Copy that, command. Command, entry 2. Go ahead, entry 2. Command. Entry 1 and entry 2 will be exiting the structure, R4. Roger that, just want to come to a face-to-face. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
You can show all entry teams that have exited the building.
Roger that, all entry teams have exited 11-33-15.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
You can show we believe we have narrowed it down to a faulty detector. We will be doing one more air quality check.
Roger that, you believe you narrowed it down to a faulty detector. We'll be doing one more air quality check, 11-38-15.
Command, call entry 1. Go ahead, entry 1, command.
Entry 1 is entering the structure, first floor through the garage, par 2 for a second air quality check.
Roger that. Tank 4, call command.
Go ahead, Command 4.
I'm going to send you one firefighter. You can clear scene.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, ladder 2.
Go ahead.
Show ladder 2 and tank 4, clear the scene, return to Wingham Station.
Roger, ladder 2, tank 4, clear and returning, 11:44:09.
Command, call entry 1.
Go ahead.
You can show the sweep for air quality on the house is complete, 0 reading. Entry 1 is exiting the structure, par 2.
Roger that. Exiting building, par 2. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
You can show we have 0 readings on second air quality.
Copy, 0 readings on second. 11:45:31.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
You can show we have sourced it to a faulty detector. Command is terminated. Home is being left with the homeowner. All units return to Wingham.
Roger that. It was a faulty detector. Command is terminated. Home left with the homeowner, and all units are returning to the station. 11:50:52.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show all units back at station, back on service. Could you clear off this call, please?
Roger that. All units back at the station and back in service. 12:01:45. Thank you for your help. Have a good day.